Have you ever tried to reproduce while running from a tiger? It's hard. If you've tried it, you're probably dead. How does this metaphor tie into infertility? Well, keep watching as we dive in. I'm Dr. John Bartemus, and I'm putting the pieces together to help you live a life at optimal. How does trying to reproduce while running for your life from a tiger equate to infertility? Well, if you are trying to have a baby and you've been infertile or struggled with fertility, then that's probably stressful. And the whole idea of having the baby and trying to get pregnant becomes stressful instead of exciting. I've worked with many people who have been in these shoes. They are trying to have a baby, and for whatever reason, they've struggled. So then it becomes this regimented thing where we have to test for ovulation, we have to schedule intercourse. It's no longer spontaneous, it's this job, and it's no longer fun. And both male and female participants have said it's no longer fun, it's so regimented that all joy is taken out of it. Well, when you lose the joy and you're forced, you have the feeling of being forced to do it or regimented, that is stressful. And stress is anti-fertility because cortisol, your fight or flight hormone, is what is expressed by your body when you are stressed. So think about it this way. If you go down to the watering hole and you're getting some water and a tiger runs out at you, you're going to release cortisol. You're going to be stressed. You're going to release adrenaline as well so that you can either fight that tiger or run. Either way, in 15 minutes, you're either dead or alive. If you're alive, you successfully killed the tiger or outran it. If you're dead, you didn't. So with the goal of trying to either kill the tiger or successfully run away from the tiger, will a white blood cell help you kill the tiger? No. So cortisol suppresses the immune system. Well, is reproducing a good idea when a tiger's chasing you? No. So cortisol is going to suppress sex hormone function or put those on the back burner because they're a low priority at that time. So 15 minutes later, if you're still alive, you either outran the tiger or you killed it. Well, in our society, we run from tigers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but there's no tiger. So if you're struggling with infertility, it may be because you're running from tigers, and running from tigers is suppressing your sex hormone function, and you need your sex hormones enabled to be fertile, get pregnant, carry a baby. So if you are someone who has been struggling with infertility, or you're a couple who's been struggling with infertility, there's lots of possible causes, but sometimes the cause is no physiologic dysfunction other than you're stressing way too much about it. And that high stress level is suppressing the sex hormone function and preventing you from getting pregnant. So you're trying to reproduce while running from a tiger, and you're not going to be successful that way. So if this is you, what you want to do is get out of that fight or flight side of things, get away from the running tiger, and get to the side of things that are rest and digest or health and healing, anabolic. That's the parasympathetic side of the nervous system, and things that help you boost that side are going to be things that make you laugh, things that you enjoy, meditation, yoga, breathing, prayer, reading a book, petting a dog, walking in nature, anything that relaxes you or brings you joy versus running from a tiger. So the key to your fertility may be as simple as decreasing your stress levels and increasing your relaxation and your joy. Bring joy back to your life, bring joy back to your relationship, bring joy back to your intercourse, and you may get pregnant quicker than you think.